अपनी खूबसूरती पर लगाइए चार चांद with an exclusive lab grown diamond jewelry collection from Limelight Diamonds. Shop the perfect diamond jewelry you always wanted.
He's one of your co-stars for a very amazing movie. How can you not get this? Who is this?
This is too young. Is this? Vijay sir. Yeah, Vijay sir.
Yeah, that is Vijay.
Oh my god! I still remember that visual of there is in our house there is this entrance. I said this person has come, so I'm like here. I can see like both of them, right? And the door opens and Tati goes like, "Hello, hi."
Who is this? Who is this?
A few minutes later.
Oh, this is Vijay Devrakonda.
I am not confused. I'm just confusing you.
Most of the things I understood, some I wouldn't understand. And half my time was spending with Atli. Deepadi, this, that.
I don't want to give a clue. You will understand. Who is this?
Don't tell me it's like... maybe some moments from Nan Mataka because we had great fun shooting for that song, and I think Atli was also around while I was shooting for that song, and certain places when I had to look hot, Atli would call out Tatli. So he'll be like, Petti puttara na kodaka.
Who is this? He's a filmmaker. Limelight Diamonds is India's largest lab-grown diamond jewelry brand. Lab-grown diamonds are 100% real diamonds, and actually they are same as natural diamonds, only with a different origin. Where lab-grown diamonds actually save a lot of your money, manpower, and energy and resources. So if you like them, because they have an exquisite collection of jewelry, so please go visit them at limelightdiamonds.com or just go to any of the 20 stores that they have across India. Thank you so much. This is a show where there are surprises one after the other. The next surprise is gonna come to you in the next 2.5 minutes, because in the next 2.5 minutes, we play a game with you.
Oh, okay.
We challenge you to guess all the celebrities from their childhood pictures.
Oh.
आपके फैंस यहाँ पे है, आपके फैंस आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं.
Okay, you guys will help me, right?
आपको करेक्ट जवाब आपने अगर दिया तो आपको
Okay.
बहुत एक स्पेशल गिफ्ट देंगे जो I can guarantee you that you've never got in any interview for sure. Okay?
Done.
चलो. First one.
So we are a team and you are a team.
I am
You just
unfortunately I will also be biased towards you, so you do not. So this one.
you. Okay.
Who is this, guys? He's one of your co-stars for a very amazing movie. How can you not get this?
Dulka?
Yes, this is Dulquer!
Hey, got it.
Who is this co-star of yours?
VD?
This is VD.
Oh, damn. He looks different. Sure.
No, his face looks the same.
Same?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. The eyes.
Baby John.
Oh,
हमारा Baby John.
Then this is the first time I'm seeing
Baby
his
John,
childhood
Baby
picture.
Varun.
Oh, yeah, such a baby is.
Who is this?
This is too young. Is this a I've done Telugu films with this person.
Tamil films.
Vijay sir. Yeah, Vijay sir.
Yeah, that is Vijay.
Oh my god. Where did you even find this picture from?
We are very good at all this. Albert, thank you so
Wow.
much. But listen,
Wow.
you worked with Vijay sir was also there at your wedding, right?
Yeah.
And you've had a fantastic relationship with him. He otherwise is very like, he doesn't go to places,
Yeah.
but people who he loves and cares for, he will always be there. How was that moment? Because you wrote a post that somebody who we both love
Yeah.
was there to grace.
I mean, we both are like ardent fans of Vijay sir, and he's been a great support through the journey. And in fact, I think The first time Tatal met him was when he actually came home on Tatal's birthday to surprise him. So we had, so I threw a big party on his birthday. I think this was in 2017 or 18. I can't remember. So that time, I got a bunch of his friends from Dubai, Cochin, everyone. It was a huge surprise for him, and they all were there. But he didn't know that Vijay sir was coming. I said, somebody is coming. I think all of you guys have to get into some better clothes. So I said, I lied to them that some director is coming. Please get into some better clothes. And then I still remember that visual of in our house there is this entrance, and there's this door opens, and all our friends and Tatal is standing in the center. So there, I said, this person has come. So I'm like, here I can see like both of them, right? And the door opens and Tatal goes like, hello, hi. He goes like that. I'm like, Vijay sir. And then Vijay sir, he's very calm, but when he makes sure that every single person feels comfortable, because he knows that they will find it difficult to approach him. But when he comes to any gathering, he'll make sure everybody feels comfortable.
Yeah.
And he shook hands with every single person, said hi, he stayed back for long. And that's probably the best gift I think that I've given to him. He says there's nothing to replace that.
How sweet.
Yeah.
The next one. सारे difficult वाले लिए हाँ?
Yeah, this is like you should have little.
Could
give me a
very
clue.
difficult one. Throw the mic on him.
Clue.
Easy clue दे दूँ. There was a surprise planned for you with this person.
Sam? No, Lal sir. Lal sir. Oh. Wow.
Who is this? Who is this?
Yeah.
Kirti,
Another VD.
your lifelines are only helping you. Yes. VD.
so bad.
Vijay Deverakonda it is.
Another VD.
A few minutes later.
Oh, this is Vijay Deverakonda. I'm so bad at it.
Wow. If we cut that part, you know, now it will look like, oh, you got it, amazing.
Exactly. I want you to edit it in that way. That's why I said that.
अब ये तो बनना ही था ना उसके बाद.
This is Rashmika.
Yeah.
I got it.
Wow.
Yay. Yeah, this like looks properly like Rashmika.
ये बहुत tough है.
Is that Nani?
Yeah, it was Nani.
Because you know why? Because Nani's son, Junnu, we call him Junnu, Arjun, he looks exactly like this. Exactly. Because I've seen pictures of them being very alike. So it's very evident. It's just.
Who is this? He's a filmmaker.
He.
He's a filmmaker who's very close to you.
Atlee! Let me see that. So cute. So cute. Look at him. Damn cute.
But Atlee sir is anyway very, very cute even now.
He's very.
I saw him on the Kapil Sharma show and he was the cutest. Everybody was trying to help him ki acha this is what. Actually everybody was trying to help you also. VD was trying to help you sometimes. But all three of you were trying to help Atlee.
And most of the things I understood. Some I wouldn't understand. And half my time was spending with Atlee. Deepadi, this, that.
Who is this? Very close friend of yours.
Sam. No?
Sam will be very happy because you've guessed Sam 5 times already.
Ammu! Kalyani!
Yeah!
Kalyani, yeah. Those lips.
Who is this?
You guys have like researched and taken some very different pictures, huh? Okay, clue.
I don't want to give a clue. You will understand. Who is this?
Don't tell me it's like. Okay, tell me. I mean, something. An actor? No.
Actress.
Actress.
Very
Okay,
close
actress.
friend of yours.
Very close friend of mine.
Somebody who I absolutely love with all my heart as well.
Sam.
See? जिसमें Sam बोलना था उसमें Sam नहीं बोला.
Because I thought I've been saying Sam for every wrong picture.
Very easy ones. Who is this?
Alia Bhatt.
Oh, right. ये बिल्कुल correct
Yes,
है, correct है.
Because Raha also looks very
Exactly like
similar.
this. Yes. The next one. Let's do a difficult one, or should we do an easy one?
Most of it was difficult already.
Who is this? Sorry. Fans भी confused है.
Have I worked with this person?
No.
No. So, Deepika? No. What? Even you are confused?
I am not confused. I'm just confusing you. Global face.
Priyanka? Oh.
Priyanka
looks
Chopra
so
it is.
Okay. Priyanka Chopra!
She has answered all of them correctly.
Yay! I'm getting the gift anyway.
And I want to tell you that, like I said, that this is a gift that I don't think any interviewer would have given you till date.
Yeah.
Because you've answered it correctly, because your fans have helped you win a diamond pendant from Limelight Diamonds. This is for you. I know you have a ring, but now you can wear a pendant as well. It's an eco-friendly, sustainable diamond, so that's why we partnered with them, because I know that you love nature. And yes. I'm just happy that you like it. It's a heart. Yes.
It's a heart. Thank you. It's so sweet.
Thank you.
My heart is full. Very sweet. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
On that note, I know that you guys have been patiently waiting for your turn. So over to you guys. We'll do quick questions. Wait for 2 seconds. Take the mic, introduce yourself, and then ask your question or whatever you want to say to her. Okay? Go ahead. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Vandita.
Hi, Mandita. How are you?
I'm doing good, and it was lovely seeing you offline. I mean, I've seen your movie on the first day, and
Thank
you have
you.
been fabulous
Thank you.
on Baby John. And I just wanted to ask you one thing: that what was your favorite moment from the whole shoot, which you have done for the Hindi movie?
Honestly, this is a very difficult question when someone asks a one favorite moment we have, because we have a lot of things that we cherish. The film itself was something that I would cherish because I got to meet VD, I got to work with him, Vam, and Atli, Priya. We've been like great friends for a very long time. I got to work with them. And it was their debut in production. It was my debut in Hindi. And overall, it was an unforgettable experience. And even Kali's, the director, the DOP kid, and Murad sir, everyone. So if I have to like name some particular,
Maybe a fun moment which you will cherish.
I think maybe maybe some moments from Nain Mataka, because we had great fun shooting for that song, and I think Atli was also around while I was shooting for that song, and certain places when I had to look hot, Atli would call out Tatal. So he'll be like, and Varun would be like, what is he even saying? So I came back and I told this to him, and he found it very funny. So that's something I can't forget. And otherwise, we've had some great experiences shooting with Varun also. Even that other song, the Hazar Bar song, when we were shooting, I think we shot a few portions in mud. And but it looked like nothing like before, and it was very, very different. And I was teaching Varun all the language, and I think I posted a video also of that where I was teaching him Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, and the way he every time he tries to speak any of our languages is so funny and cute. But he's always up for it. He's always up for learning anything new. So there's so many such sweet memories, and the entire film is something I'll always cherish. Thank you, Mandita. Thank you.
You know, I told Varun before we go to the next person, I told Varun that I know you love me so much, and Murad bhai also, because that's why you made a song on my name. Which I said it to them also today.
Oh.
You see?
Ooh. I'm
That-
sure.
So, bhai,
Last time also we danced.
Yeah,
no?
we did.
During Dasara promotion.
Haan. We have a few gifts for you
Okay.
from a lot of your fans. So
Okay.
come here only.
Suresh, Mama Suresh, and Baby Suresh. That's been made by my friend, and it's a token of love.
Hey,
How
thank you so much. This is so sweet. One of my favorite pictures, actually. With my dad and mom. I think this was for. Their birthday. So they share their birthdays. They are another romantic couple. It's on to November 15th. Their birthday is on, and actually, like now my mother-in-law's birthday is also on November 15th. So
Oh my God.
oh, yours on 16th, so you're also a Scorpion. So yeah, so these are like two lovebirds, and yeah, it was shot on their birthday, and it's a favorite picture of mine. Thank you so much. I didn't get your name.
Myself, Ruchita.
Ruchita, nice name. Mandita, Ruchita, these are different names. What do you want?
మీరంటే మాకు చాలా చాలా ఇష్టం.
అయ్యో నాకు కూడా చాలా ఇష్టం అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ఎవ్రీ పర్సనల్ సక్సెస్ ఆఫ్ యోర్స్ ఫీల్స్ వెరీ స్పెషల్ టు అస్. మళ్ళీ మీకు నేషనల్ అవార్డ్ వచ్చిందంటే అప్పుడు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ స్పెషల్ అవుతుంది.
నాకు దొరకడం మీకు
మళ్ళీ
స్పెషల్
ఇప్పుడు
అంటే అది నాకు
అండ్
ఇంకా
ఆల్సో యూర్ వేరింగ్ మై ఫేవరెట్ కలర్.
Oh, blue is your favorite
Yes.
color? Oh, nice. Thank
It's
you.
a very big moment for me. I
Thank
love
you,
you, ma'am.
Ruchita. Love you
so
too.
much.
Love you too. Of course.
Thank you so much. My mom is also here. She's also a big fan of yours.
Namaste, Andy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. She's so sweet.
మీరంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. మీరు చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నారు. చాలా చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నారు. చూడడానికి మాకు ఇలా అనిపిస్తుంది.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you so
మీరు
much.
ఇంకా తెలుగు మూవీలో ఎవరితో తీయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? మహేష్ బాబుతో చాలా బాగుంది.
చాలా చేయాలి ఇంకా.
చెయ్యండి, కంపల్సరీ చేయండి. మహేష్ బాబుతో చేసిన పిక్చర్ చాలా ఇష్టం.
Thank you.
కల్లాయివి కళావతి అని ఒక డైలాగ్ నా కోసం ప్లీజ్. మీరు చేద్దాం ప్లీజ్.
డైలాగ్ సర్కార్ వాళ్ళు దసరా నుంచి
దసరా నుంచి
Huh?
దసరా నుంచి
పెట్టి పుట్టారా నా కొడక్క. ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సూరిగాడు ఉన్నాడు.
అవునా ఓకే
ఎన్నిసార్లు చూసిన 5-6 సార్లు చూసిన సినిమా చాలా చాలా బాగుంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సూర్యగాడు ఉన్నాడా అత్త? థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. కరెక్టా స్పెల్లింగ్? అందుకని స్పెల్లింగ్ మార్చకూడదు కదా. థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
She's been a regular, and she's the one who's.
I've illustrated the sketch, but my friend Ruchita, she's a much bigger fan of yours. So I said, I'll take the labor and you go and have a moment with your fan, like your
How
celebrity.
sweet.
So I just need a moment like with you. I need a token of your signature, like.
Oh, thank you so much.
And congratulations for your wedding.
Thank you. This is so sweet.
Thank you so much.
Can I know your name?
Shruti.
Shruti. There's another Shruti here.
Yeah.
This is a question when I see a lot of Shrutis. Is it S-H Shruti or S-R-U?
SHRU.
Okay. And T-H-Y. T-H-I.
TI.
S-H-T-I.
HRUTI. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much. Of course.
About the sunflowers and purities.
Oh, bro.
Thank you, so sweet. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, most very good.
Soundarya. Soundarya.
Yeah.
Thank you, Soundarya.
You know, dosa date కి ఎప్పుడు వెళ్దాం?
Did you understand what she asked?
I know that reel. That
No,
dosa,
no.
no?
Do you know what she asked? She's asking when can we go on a dosa date?
Oh!
That's so cute. I mean, you tell me when. I'm ready. I'm a sucker for dosas. You call me anytime, I'll come.
you're free, ma'am, just
Done.
give me an appointment.
Done. Okay, the next time I'm going to have dosa, I'm gonna call you Soundarya. Okay, we'll go and have dosa. Thank you.
Correct spelling, by the way. Oh, thank you so much. A big hug, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, all of you girls are shivering and I don't know why. Thank you so much, Soundarya. Yes, we will go out on a dosa date soon.
Is that me?
Yeah, it's you.
Oh, is this like some AI?
Yeah, it's kind of
Oh.
just that.
Oh, okay. Me doing Bharatanatyam dance.
Wow.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Avit Shetty.
Avit Shetty.
Meeru Andari ki Spurtidayakam, ma'am. Your love story is very amazing and very inspirational. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Where are you from?
I am basically born and brought up from Mumbai, and native is Karnataka.
And you're talking Telugu.
I know many languages because I am also an actor.
Ah? Yay!
I have done the 5 mythology Kannada serials back to back before pandemic.
Shetties have a lot of money, I've heard, huh? Give me
It
some.
depends.
Kuch bhi. Thank you, Avit. Thank you so much, and good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And are you trying to pursue acting?
Yes, I am
Really?
trying to pursue acting as well as dance in the industry.
Okay, nice. I wish you only the best.
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much, Avit. Thank you.
I am Upendra Soni from Karthik's Mirror, by Mirror.
Acha.
Karthik sir.
Okay. Acha, Karthik.
Karthik sir.
Oh, this guy had come for Karthik Aryan ye also. And his name is also Karthik. He gets you mirror, so he's giving you a mirror.
Oh.
This is okay. Thank you, man. Thank you. You're only gonna get gifts. Go.
It's a beautiful mirror.
Thank you so much. And you said Upendra?
Yes, Upendra Soni.
Upendra Sunya. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's your name?
is Kuldeep, ma'am.
Kuldeep. Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai itself.
Okay. You want me to sign?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We are here.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
So, I told you that this will be an experience, and I hope and pray that you felt loved, wanted, and appreciated. That's the whole idea behind doing this show, to be very honest, Kirti. And I want everybody to understand that yes, there is a lot of negativity, there is a lot of nafrat, जो बहुत आसानी से फैल जाती है, but there will always be people, you can see many, that outnumbers those people who will speak or write or say negative things and do negative things. And I hope and pray that you feel the love that people have for you and that we as a team at Galata India had for you. And I hope that we could do this much to make you feel happier, wanted, and loved.
You've done this much. This much. Thank you so much, Naindeep. This is very, very sweet of you. And I'm really, really glad that you had me in your show. And I know we've been trying to do this for a very long time, and finally it happened. I'm so glad about that. And thank you all for making me feel so special. You guys are so warm, so sweet, a ball of energy. And the kind of love that you've showered is what I want to keep giving it back again and again and again through my movies and even otherwise. And I'm hoping to make you all happy with all the films, all the performances that I can do. And thank you so much for being so kind, and thank you so much, Galata, for having me here. And you all are so sweet, and I had so much fun. And I'm actually feeling bad that this is getting over already. So yeah, and I can't tell you how much I love you all. Thank you so much. You guys have made this really, really special. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. We love you too. Thank you. Love you all.
अपनी खूबसूरती पर लगाइए चार चांद with an exclusive lab grown diamond jewelry collection from Limelight Diamonds. Shop the perfect diamond jewelry you always wanted.